In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to set up Jira workflows, even if you're completely new to Jira. Workflows are one of the most powerful parts of Jira because they control how your tasks move from start to finish, like from to-do to in progress to done. Setting them up correctly can massively improve how your team works and tracks progress. If you manage projects, work with agile teams, or just want more control over your Jira boards, this video is for you. And before we dive in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Jira and software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Jira. Log in using your Atlassian account so you can access your projects. Once you're inside Jira, head over to your team or project section. This is where all your boards and issues live. From here, click on your board. This could be a scrum board or a kanban board, depending on how your project is set up. Once your board loads, look at the top right area and click on the three dots, also known as the More Actions menu. This menu gives you access to advanced board settings. In that menu, click on Manage Workflow. This will take you to the Workflow Configuration area, where you can customize how issues move through different statuses. Now you're inside the Workflow Editor. Here you can add new statuses, edit existing ones, or adjust transitions between them. If you want to modify an existing step, you can click directly on it and edit its settings. You can also add rules to control what happens when an issue moves from one status to another. For example, you can add conditions, validators, or post functions to make sure certain requirements are met before a task moves forward. To do that, click on Add Rule and choose the rule type that fits your process. This is extremely useful for enforcing consistency across your team. Once you've finished making your changes, double-check everything to make sure the workflow matches how your team actually works. When you're ready, click on Update Workflow. Jira will apply your changes, and depending on your setup, it may ask you to publish the workflow or associate it with specific issue types. Finally, click on Save to confirm all changes. Your updated workflow is now active and ready to use on your board. That's it. You've successfully set up and customized a Jira workflow. This small setup can make a huge difference in visibility, accountability, and overall team productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Jira guides and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.